Welcome to Pressure Perfect AZ, experts in pressure washing, cleaning, and sanitation in the Phoenix, Arizona Valley. We provide residential and commercial pressure washing, cleaning, COVID-19 sanitation, and disinfecting services throughout the Phoenix, Arizona Valley, including Scottsdale, Tempe, Litchfield Park, Glendale, Peoria, Surprise, Sun City, Goodyear, Avondale, Buckeye, Mesa, Gilbert, Chandler, Queen Creek, Santan Valley, and Apache Junction. Our residential pressure washing service is great for driveways, patios, walkways, pool decks, home exteriors, solar panels, and roofs. Give us a call at 602-693-1376 and we'll have your home or commercial property looking great in no time. Schedule your commercial business or residential home pressure washing, cleaning, or COVID-19 sanitation service with the Pressure Perfect AZ team online at pressureperfectaz.com.